boys and girls. You caught me at home. This is our busiest season, don't you know? Santa's out working in the shop and getting toys ready. How about a story? I have How Do Dinosaurs Say Merry Christmas by Jane Yolen and Mark Tuggy. On Christmas Eve, does a dinosaur sleep? Does he go up to bed without making a peep? Or does he sneak out just to check what's to see? Does he rip open presents set under the tree? Does he pick off some ornaments, angels and all? Does he shake up the tree so the rest of them fall? Does he eat all the cookies left out for Saint Nick? Santa loves his cookies too. Giving each candy cane one sloppy lick. Does he upend the stockings right onto the floor? Oh, wow. Does he pick out the best gifts so he will have more? No, a dinosaur doesn't. He carols with care. He helps trim the tree so no branches are bare. He eats all his dinner, then clears away dishes and gives his grandparents big Christmas Eve wishes. When Santa arrives, he's tucked in. Hear him snore? Merry Christmas, you good dinosaur. And that's the story of How Do Dinosaurs Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you too.